Hello, welcome to our Python programming introduction tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about Python introduction, why learning Python is beneficial, Python applications, Python installation. First, we will discuss about Python introduction. Why learning Python is useful? This question comes in everybody's mind. So we will discuss it first. In today, Python is one of the most high-level programming language in the world, and it's used for a wide range of applications including web development, data analysis, scientific computing, machine learning, and more. The Python community continues to grow with many developers contributing to the development of the language, creating new libraries and frameworks and providing support to users. इसका मतलब ये है कि पाइथन आजकल सारी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस में सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ होने वाली प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है, जो कि हमें मदद देती है वेबसाइट्स बनाने में, वेबसाइट्स का बैकएंड बनाने में, डाटा एनालिसिस करने में, साइंटिफिक कंप्यूटिंग करने में, मशीन लर्निंग डाटा को ट्रेन करने में एंड मैनी मोर. पाइथन इज़ ओपन सोर्स. ये इसका सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेजेस है. इसमें मुख्तलिफ डेवलपर्स अपने कंट्रीब्यूशन दे सकते हैं, जिसकी वजह से पाइथन डे बाय डे इसकी कम्युनिटी ग्रो कर रही है एज़ कम्पेयर टू अदर लैंग्वेजेस. वाई लर्निंग पाइथन इज़ बेनिफिशियल. हमें पाइथन क्यों सीखनी चाहिए? देयर आर सेवरल रीज़न वाई लर्निंग पाइथन इज़ बेनिफिशियल. हेयर some of the key reason why Python is an important programming language. Due to its versatility, easy to learn, large community and support, libraries and frameworks, high demand and career opportunities. As you all know, Python is trending nowadays, due to which its demand is high, career opportunities is many more. Now, application of Python. Python is a versatile programming language that can be used in a wide range of applications, including, as we discussed in the previous slide, web development, data science and machine learning, automation, desktop application, graphical user interface application, games development, Internet of Things, robotics and scripting. These all information which I told you is all about Python introduction. Python benefits, Python introduction, why we learn Python, what is the benefit of learning Python. Now we will move toward this Python installation. How to install Python setup in your laptop, PCs. We will learn installation in the next video. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.